Preparation of receipt and payment account and balance sheet. Question. Following is the receipt and payment account of Bharati Club for the year ended 31st March 2019. Receipt and payment account of Bharati Club for the year ended 31st March 2019. Receipt side balance brought down 10,500. Subscription 70,500. Donations 5,000. Life membership fees 10,000. Income from investments 2,000. Payment side salaries 25,000. Traveling expenses 4,000. Stationery 3,000. Rent 32,000. Books 4,000. Balance carried down 30,000. Additional information. Advance subscription 31st March 2018 2000, 31st March 2019 3,500. Outstanding subscription 3,400, 4,300. Books 8,000, 12,000. 9% investment 25,000, 25,000. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and its balance sheet as at 31st March 2019. Preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet. In this question, we have to prepare an income and expenditure account and two balance sheets. First balance sheet on 31st March 2018 and the second balance sheet on 31st March 2019. Balance sheet of 31st March 2018 is prepared to calculate capital funds. Capital funds in the beginning. Capital funds for the year 31st March 2019. Look at the receipt and payment account, which is the first item. Balance brought down 10,500. That is the opening balance of cash. Opening balance of cash. Cash is an asset. So write it on the asset side of the opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet, asset side. Opening balance sheet asset 31st March 2018. Asset side, cash 10,500. Next, subscription. Subscription is an income. Subscription as per receipt and payment account is 70,500. Subscription as per receipt and payment account 70,500. Advance subscriptions and outstanding subscriptions are given in the adjustment. So, calculation of subscription that is to be credited to income and expenditure account. Subscription as per receipt and payment account 70,500. Outstanding subscription at the end 4,300. Advance subscription in the beginning 2,000. Less outstanding subscription in the beginning 3,400. Advance subscription at the end 3,500. Amount after adjustment 69,900 is the subscription to be credited to income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account, credit side, subscription 69,900. Next, donation. It's a general donation. So, write it on the credit side of income and expenditure account. Donation 5,000. Then life membership fees. Life membership fees is a liability. So, it is transferred to the closing balance sheet liability side. Then income from investments. Income from investments rupees 2,000. Income as per receipt and payment account is 2,000. Amount of investment 25,000. Rate of interest 9%. So total interest receivable is 2,250, out of which interest received is only rupees 2,000. Interest as per receipt and payment account is only rupees 2,000. So accrued interest is rupees 250. Amount of rupees 250 is the accrued interest. Difference of 2250 and 2000. Rupees 250 is the accrued interest. Income from investment credited to income and expenditure account is 2250. Next, payment side. Salaries 25,000, expense, traveling expense 4,000, expenditure side. Stationery 3,000, expenditure side. Rent 32,000, expenditure side. Books assets. Books rupees 4,000. Balance carried down is the closing balance of cash. So transfer it to the asset side of closing balance sheet. Closing balance of cash rupees 30,000, which is transferred to closing balance sheet asset side. In next, depreciation of books. Opening balance of books rupees 8,000. Opening balance of books, that is the value of books as on 31st March 2018, 8,000. Payment made for books rupees 4,000, which is given on the payment side of receipt and payment account. Payment side of receipt and payment account rupees 4,000, that is the payment made for books 4,000. Total 12,000. Closing balance of books 12,000. So depreciation of book nil. Depreciation of book 0. Balancing of income and expenditure account. Balancing figure 13,150 is the surplus. 13,150 is the surplus. Next, preparation of opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet is prepared to calculate capital funds. Opening balance sheet, liability side, advance subscription. Advance subscriptions is a liability. Advance subscription in the beginning 2,000. So opening balance sheet or advance subscription on opening date 2,000. Advance subscription rupees 2,000. Then asset side, cash 10,500. That is the cash transferred from receipt and payment account. Then outstanding subscription is an asset. Then books, opening balance of book 8,000. Opening balance of investment 25,000. Balancing figure 44,900 is the capital fund. Capital fund in the beginning. Transfer this capital fund to the liability side of closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet, liability side, capital funds 44,900 plus surplus 13,150. This surplus is a surplus transferred from income and expenditure account 58,050 plus life membership fee, which is given on the receipt side of in receipt and payment account rupees 10,000. Total 68,050. Then advance subscription at the end. Advance subscription at the end is 3,500. It's a liability. Then asset side cash 30,000, which is given on the payment side of receipt and payment account. That is the closing balance of cash. Then books, closing balance of book rupees 12,000. Outstanding subscription at the end 4,300. Outstanding subscriptions are the subscriptions receivable. Outstanding subscriptions are the assets of the business organization. Then investments 25,000. Accrued interest 250. Balance sheet total 71,550.